Thank you so much for having us. Thanks for coming out and worshiping this morning with us. We are so grateful to be here and just in the Lord's presence all together. He says that when more than one is gathered, he is here with us. And I know I felt his presence this morning. I just pray that he stays with you every day, all day of your life, and just give you peace and joy and comfort and hope. And anything that you may be going through, just remember that he will never leave. Like Pastor said, he's with us and he will never forsake us. He will hold your hand through good times and through the bad times. He is our only true friend.
Consider all the works thy hand have made. I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy power throughout the universe displayed. Come on, then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Went through the world, and forest glades I wander. I hear the birds sing sweetly in the trees. When I look out from Ocean City's beach now and see the water, and we feel its gentle breeze, then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. And when I think that God his son not sparing sent him to die, I scarce can take it in, that on the cross my burdens are gladly bearing. He bled and died to take away my sin. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Hey! Then Christ shall come with shouts of acclamation and take me home. What joy shall fill my heart, then I shall bow in humble adoration, and then we proclaim, my God, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my